Alright folks, I'm back out again. I'm back at the lakes, up Hallin Fell. There's the trig. The sky's a bit moody and grey. I got caught in the shower coming up, so I didn't do any filming. There's the Hull's water. Yeah, I'm back in me Fell Raven, the old big beast. Well, yeah, now I've got there's my kit. That's my new sleeping bag, my 4-season mount equipment. Sleeping bag, there's my grub. I got some 4 Mars bars, pasta, baguette, molly bread, yeah, chicken butter masala, pilau rice, and that's a pasta. Summit, it's a bachelor's one, and that's a pot noodle. Just took them out the thingy, so that should do me. I'm just getting a brew on. Pretty nippy now. I might get this door shut. Right, catch you in a bit, folks. To that. To that. Alright folks, next morning, absolutely blowing a hole out here. Alright folks, just getting me brekkie / dinner on. It's here I've got the thing here. It's a chicken butter masala. I've just thingied half of it and half of rice. Don't think about the date. It's been in the freezer at home. They're $3.50 normally, but they're the best when they're on offer like that. That's nice. Big chunks of chicken in it, so I'm having that with a bread bun. Here, with my bread bun. It's 10:15, so it's wind's still up. It's clearing up though. Yeah, last time I was camped just here, George and Jed were camped where I are. There's been a few people up. Couple of joggers and that.